Welcome to our weekly Q&A call. This is Jessica, and we are here with possibly some questions. Was your question, is there a good video to download a MetaMask wallet?
Yes.
Don't you already have a MetaMask wallet?
Yeah, but people are always asking me, how do you open up a MetaMask wallet? And it's been 3 years and somebody helped me then. So,
Right.
so I kind of want to learn the steps how to do it before I start telling people what I
Okay.
don't know.
If you want to learn the steps, we could do it right now, but I don't have a video for sure.
Okay.
It's really very basic. Let me get something I can share. So you say, I want a MetaMask. So the first thing you do is you go to the Chrome store or wherever you download apps for your computer. So if it's Apple, you would go, I think, to the Chrome store. If it's anywhere else, if it's, Android or whatever, you need to go there.
So
And
I
then,
tell them to the Chrome store. So
yeah,
you type in Chrome store. Okay.
if it's Google Play or wherever you're downloading apps. So you go to the Chrome store and you look for MetaMask. And what you want is the one with a lot of people using it. So this first one, it has a blue check mark. It says metamask.io. Every once in a while, they'll sneak in like these. Might be impersonators, like I don't know who Trust Finance is. That might be legit, but you want the real MetaMask. You want nothing claiming to be MetaMask. And this one says metamask.io. It's got a blue check mark. And if you look at it, it has 5.7 thousand ratings. There's lots of people have used it, and therefore it's not a pop-up scam that popped up last week, right?
Okay.
So that's what I look for when I'm looking for downloading it. And then all you do is you push whatever buttons you need to do here to add it to your browser. So I've already got it. So mine says currently removed from Brave, which I don't want to do. You would download it onto your browser. Then you go find, I believe it pops up a little foxy thing up here in your little extension buttons. And you can pin that by going to your extensions and finding it and turning the pin on, like
I
right.
got a question.
Yep.
Chrome and Brave is the same, just two different.
Yeah, it's the same operating system.
Okay.
Brave is a little bit more private. It's a little more crypto oriented. I believe they give you some kind of rewards if you set it up for doing various things on the web or something.
Mhm.
It's supposedly more secure than Chrome, but I use both interchangeably. So you add your MetaMask to if you want to like access it readily, you pin it so you can see it when it's like right here. Otherwise, it's going to be hiding in your extensions. So you come here and you click on it and it'll open up. And the first time it opens up, it'll say, do you want to restore a wallet or do you want to start a new wallet? If you're restoring a wallet, that means you're going to take your seed phrase from another wallet on another computer and you put it into MetaMask and it'll populate that information onto that computer, that MetaMask. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so if I'm on another computer, I'm restoring it if it's
Yeah.
brand
Or
new.
if you're on your phone, like if you open a MetaMask on your phone and you want to move it onto your computer, you would open the MetaMask app and say, I want to restore a MetaMask. And then you put in your seed phrase and it'll access the same info that's on your phone, but now it's on your computer. And that's if like sometimes if your cookies get reset, you need to restore your MetaMask, or if your computer breaks and you need to move everything to a new computer, that sort of thing, then you would be restoring it and you would go find your 24 or 12 words, however many words it is, and you put it in the correct order, and then it'll say, ah, here's your stuff.
Because I don't have it on my phone. So if I want to do it on my phone, I got to do it the same way.
Yes, if you wanted to put it on your phone, you would definitely do it the same way. However, when you restore it, it might not show all of your tokens. And if that's the case, you just come down here to these three dots and you say import tokens, or maybe refresh the list, might find them. So try that first. And then if it doesn't find them and you need to import them, then you would go find them in CoinGecko or something and go here and import tokens. You can also search for tokens. So you could be like, I have Pepe tokens. I want Pepe added or whatever, and add them that way.
Okay.
And if you already have some, here, let's do this for a sec. If we hide Pepe, there's Pepe. If we hide it, and then I say, I want my Pepe tokens, When you click on it, if you have tokens, it will say, I think usually, maybe it doesn't. It used to say that you have so many tokens of this, and you're like, yeah, that's definitely the right one. I guess this is not. So that was not a successful demonstration. I'm sorry. So when you're opening a new wallet, you will come here and instead of saying restore the wallet and you put in your seed phrase, you're going to say open a new wallet. And it will generate a new address for you and it will give you the seed phrase. So at that point, you need to write down the seed phrase someplace really safe. You can put it, some people engrave it on metal. So if it, there's a house fire or something, it doesn't get burned up. Some people put part of it in a safe deposit box and part of it with their best friend in Alabama. They like put the seed phrase someplace safe. Once you've written down the seed phrase, it'll say, do you know your seed phrase? And it'll give you a little quiz, like what's the 5th word and what's the 12th word, and you have to fill it in correctly. And then it says, okay, you seem to know your seed phrase. At that point, I believe you set a password. And then from then on, when you click on MetaMask, it'll either open automatically because you've been in it recently, or it'll say unlock with a password. So you only use your seed phrase when you're restoring it, and when you're opening it, you would write down your seed phrase.
Okay.
And then other than that, once you've set up your password, you're good to go.
Okay. I think I know how to do it. Just a matter of getting to the correct MetaMask and getting on there. Okay.
Yep. Well then, let's sign off. Thank you for coming and asking great questions, and we'll be back again, hopefully without jury duty next week.
You ladies have a great one. We'll talk next time.
Have a good week. Bye.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you found something valuable or interesting in what we discussed, and if you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and until then, stay curious.